So this is an This is interesting bird nest. You never recognize it is a bird's nest or not. So I found this one. Hi, where is the? Wait, just hold it. I cannot see it. God, sucks. Yeah. Oh, did you see? There's sucks. There's a lot of ants. So this is an interesting bird's nest. Excuse me. My goodness. Have 3 eggs, but cannot see it.
It was so high because it is in the leaves.
Yeah, Zia say it is a little bit high tech. Oh, so you can
the
see.
Mama birds will never wait because
of course,
there's a cover.
the mama bird not get wet. It's kind of sowing the, they sow the leaves. As you can see, the leaves, both sides of the leaves was sowing. Boom, it's done. And also this one, can you see it clearly? Wow, that is amazing bird nest. Oh, see the bird. Yeah, she sewing the. God, how she can do it? So this bird, it's kind of a hummingbird, but I do not know what is the exact name. But this is it. So if you can see this type of bird's nest, oh my god, it's really nice. If you can see this type of bird's nest, you can put it down. You can comment down below if you see her nest was sewing on the leaf or the leaves. That is incredible. Actually, this is my first time I saw this type of nest.
Me too.
Yeah.
But I see it in the book already.
Oh, you can see it in the book already. So what is the name?
It is a coconut.
Coconut.
Bunga.
Fruit.
No, not a fruit. Bunga means kilad.
Oh, I don't know what is the English of that one. So
They're hanging their nest. Put the leaves on.
no, it's not no, this is not a hummingbird. Maybe you're trying to say is the hummingbird nest. So I think that's all about it. And before we end this video, if you are new my channel, please do subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you keep updating my latest video. And of course, feel free to share with all your friends, your colleagues, etc. Do a comments down below if you've seen this type of bird nest. Hit thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye. See? Oh my god. Oh. So actually this is the, oh my goodness. This is the around my house only. So excuse me. No, don't. If you remember some of my video, I plant watermelon here. So it is near on my house. My house is there.
The watermelon is gone already.
Yeah, the watermelon I was pulled up already. It's because I feel disappointed because all the fruits, the watermelon fruits was eaten by the chicken. So I decided to taking off to hoping I am plant soon, huh?
Your coffee is cold.
Oh, my coffee is cold already. What happened? Why my coffee is... Oh, there's no water. My goodness. There's no water. You know, my...
I can see the caterpillar.
Where is the caterpillar? Caterpillar again? Where is your caterpillar? Oh, it's there. Oh, no, I think no more. Where?
There's a caterpillar in here.
Oh, hey!
Don't
What happened to you? Why did you have plans to? You have plans to
eggs.
eat my actually this plant is pomelo. So pomelo too. Oh my goodness,
No,
you're so
don't
beautiful.
like that. Don't
You're
like
so
that.
beautiful. Ay! Wow!
She was like that. I was
Oh my god! I thought she had. Oh. Hey! Don't get mad at me. Hey!
Mom, don't hurt him.
Of course not. I'm just.
Why you keep
No. Oh really?
She was like that. Do you ever seen it?
Wow. Hey!
I told you don't hurt him.
Of course not. I'm just rubbing. Oh, did you
She's so
see the?
small that
Oh, we're beautiful.
Is it her eyes, Mom?
Yeah, that is the eyes.
I think
Okay.
this is her kind of. If you
Antenna. It's kind of an antenna.
no.
Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. Oh,
Kan baka tuto kita.
yep.